So he is on actually a Foster. He's on 1620, who flew, actually I'm sorry, I think it's 1621, who flew the AGN. He's on his eggs. Yes, Ralph, this month I believe, January 24th, I believe, the Bakersfield Club is hosting the state show. I've been waiting for the extra details. I should be finding it out this week. But if you're close enough to the Bakersfield area, in Bakersfield, please stop by. They have an auction. We have lunch to raise money. So we have an auction.